up, you guys? It is Naughty and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I really want to attempt to do a halo eye. I haven't done one in a while. If you look at my videos, I think I haven't done one in a while. I normally do cut creases or your regular everyday smoky eye. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing a halo eye, and it's going to be different because halo eyes now are a little bit more different than before, because now it's a little circle, and it shifts and it's skinnier. I don't know how to explain it, but the videos that I used to watch when I first got into makeup, the halo eye was so much different, and so I feel like the halo eye has evolved. Keep saying halo eye and it sounds so weird to me. I don't know which palette I should use. I do that thing where I take out 3 palettes and then I'm and then I end up using all 3, but then I end up using similar shades that you can find in just one of the palettes, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hopefully that makes sense. Last time I did a halo eye, I did a colorful halo eye. So now it's gonna be a natural smoky halo eye, a brown smoky halo eye. I have this pimple right here. So if you wanna see the look I come up with, then just keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I always do my eyebrows first just because I love and hate doing my eyebrows. So I like doing it, but I just hate how long it takes. I'm gonna go ahead and set them with a brow gel. This is by Anastasia in the shade Espresso. I just feel like this just adds color to wherever I forgot to fill it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Where's my brush? Where's my super soup? But this is what we have for my eyebrows. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some badescu rose water. And then I just go ahead and pat that in. I don't really know if I should pat it in, but I just like patting on sprays. So, all the way down to your neck, kids. So I got this little sample moisturizer. This is by the brand Drunk Elephant. I know about this brand because of Joan Kim. She's a Korean YouTuber, and she does a lot of skincare videos because I love watching skincare videos. So I'm gonna take some of this and I'm gonna put it all over my face. This brand is so expensive. That's why I'm trying out the sample, because if I am gonna, oh my gosh. I'm gonna buy something. Has to be something that I like. Look how red my face is getting. Oh my gosh. On camera it looks so pink. You know, this is what my cheeks look like on an everyday basis. This pink. When I was in middle school, there's people who would always ask me, not even middle school, even high school, people asked me if I would wear blush. I'm like, no. Alright, so I'm just gonna let that sink into my face. I think I'm gonna apply some under eye cream. The under eye cream I'm gonna be using is the Belief Moisturizing and Firming Eye Cream. I got this little set and it's really cute. It comes with 5-6 things, and plus this brand is really nice. I like their products. Nothing has broken me out ever since using it, but everyone's skin is different. So I've had this huge obsession with rings recently. I don't know why. My fingers are kind of ugly right now. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm going to be using the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. Also my outer corner, right here, where you would cry or whatever, that has not been taking product. I hate it. It's so crusty. And it's been on both sides too. And my eyes have just been really watery recently. So I don't know why I'm filming this video, but I am. And voila, like that, your eyes are primed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my eyelids. I'm gonna be using the MAC Patrickstarrr powder. I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 because I don't think I've used this in a video yet. Don't quote me, I don't remember. And then it's really... You make sure you want to go all the way in and then out. I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is clean, it's just stained. With this brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges. Always switch between your blending brush and the brush that you pack your shades with, just because if you want to make it intense or more pigmented, you can just add more of the shade and then blend it out. And with the same brush, I'm going to apply an even darker shade. And of course, blend out all your edges. That's one thing I never knew about halo eyes, is where does the inner corner shade stop, because then it looks kind of weird like that. So I'm just gonna kind of blend it into the crease. And then you really want to work with the color black, 'cause it could be kind of hard to blend, so always start off with a little bit. Alright, and this is what I have so far. With the brush that I applied my transition shade with is what I will blend the outer corners with. I'm gonna go ahead and use a pot concealer to do the halo eye. I normally use liquid. I'm just gonna try it out with the pot concealer first. So that is one done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera. And now we're gonna go ahead and apply our shimmer shade to the lid. What some people do is they'll apply like a dark shimmer shade and shade lighter than that, and then like a gold, really like bright shade in the center. But since we're just gonna be basic today, I'm just gonna apply a gold shade. I'm gonna take the brush that I've been using the whole entire time, and I'm just gonna blend inwards. And I'm going to take the one with the black and also kind of blend in there. I'm going to be using a glitter liner. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. If you want like a good glitter liner, these are the way to go. You just really have to let it sit, and like I always make the mistake of putting it on and looking up and like just hooded eyelid problems, you know? Like this. Actually, before I put my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and tightline using gel eyeliner. It's that really awkward part. I got used to it. I really like tightlining, especially when I don't wear eyeliner. So I'm not gonna put on in this video. Okay, and now that my lashes are on, with a wipe, I kind of got rid of any fallout under my eye and stuff like that. My under eyes are crusty. Oh my gosh, I forgot to even mention Nikki Tutorials used this once, the J.one jelly pack. But I didn't start using this because of her. I started using this because of Joan. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is the Dewy+ Smooth. I didn't even wet my beauty blender. Hopefully this is the right shade, I think. If not, I have the Body Shop Light Adjusting Drops. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is in the shade Fair, so it's a lot, like really light. So hopefully this helps kind of balance out my shoulders. I'm gonna set my face with the MAC Patrickstarrr powder. And then I'll go ahead and bake the sides of my nose. Bake under my eyes. I don't always do this. And with the same powder, I'm gonna go ahead and set my T-zone. Or just anywhere where it'd get like really oily. That's a lot of powder. That's a lot of powder. With the Fit Me powder, this is the setting Set+smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. And now I'm gonna bronze using my Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. Normally my forehead is like the darkest part of like my body, but when I put foundation on it, it's really pasty. So I just like to bring that back. And I just do my jawline just a little bit, because I'll end up contouring, so it's fine. And then I'll go ahead and contour my nose as well. And after I've like contoured my nose, I'm gonna go ahead and rebake it. Put it in the oven again for 350 degrees. And now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia contour kit. I'm gonna take the middle shade and go ahead and contour, define my face. And I'm just gonna do the very tops of my forehead. Pat it down, brush away, whatever you want to do. I normally just, it depends for me which one I do. And I will brush away the one on my nose. Kind of helps. Still want to get better at nose contouring, because that's not something I'm good at. But I love doing it, so I really gotta learn how to do it. A good sister snatched eyebrow. Eyebrow. Nose. And now for this lower lash line. So So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my lower lash line. I like connecting it to the outer corner. Then I'm gonna apply some lower lash mascara. Next, I'm going to be using the ABH Blush Trio, and this is in the shade Peachy Love. I love this like little blush trio. It's so cute. And then I go ahead and use all 3 shades. And the remainder I just brush on my nose. And then my chin just to give it some color. Alright, and now for highlighter, I'm going to be using the ABH Amrezi highlighter. I said Amrezi. I still call it Amrezi, but I'm guessing it's Amrezi. The Amrezi highlighter. Of course, my chin. Ooh. Okay, I kind of just refilled in my eyebrows a little bit more. There we go. And now the last thing to do is to pick a lipstick shade. I've kind of been obsessed with the Maybelline, I don't even know what they're called. Super Stay Matte Inks. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I bought these for my own, with my own money. Maybelline has no idea who I am. And I want all the shades. Amazonian is telling me to go for it. And oh my god, I almost stabbed my eye out. I'm gonna go ahead and use Amazonian and Driver. I'm not really big on the whole full-on application. I kind of like the whole lip stain look. True color isn't showing on camera, which is kind of annoying. And I'm gonna take this lighter shade and put it in the center. Too late, you're so stupid. No way, it's not easy. So yeah, this is the completed makeup look. I really like how it turned out. It's really pretty. I know I have a look kind of similar to this in a past video, and that was how I did my halo eye before. So this is kind of like a halo eye upgrade because I really like how this one turned out a lot better. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up because thumbs are cool. What are thumbs for? I don't know. And if you want to see more of this face, don't forget to subscribe. The subscribe button will be around here somewhere. You're smart. You know how to use the internet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next week. Bye. What the heck? I can tell I had glasses on. That's bad. Very bad. That's an OG poster. That's been in almost every single video. Swear I've done a makeup look like this before.